spoke about South Africa, I think for 2025, South Africa was the second best performing market globally, which is amazing. Amazing for us here in South Africa, and amazing for South African investors. And then also coming back to your comment on risk. I mean, look at the US now with Donald Trump wanting to invade but take over Greenland, let's say. And then also in terms of what is recently done in Venezuela with Maduro, and then also wanting to place tariffs on all of these European countries that don't agree with him. So it's either you agree with him or you get punished. That's kind of, I guess, the imperialist view. You're either with me or you're against me type of thing. But then there's been some big shifts, and I think we talked about this prior to the beginning of the podcast, in terms of Canada now also going and having a meeting with President Xi of China. In that meeting saying that the world order is changing.
Yes.
And really that has also been, I think, one of the biggest blows to Trump or to the US, because the US really feels like the Western Hemisphere is kind of their domain. And now with Canada doing this and saying, look, we are also a player in this hemisphere, really says that the risk factor tends to now really play up a lot more. And now when we start looking at emerging markets, yes, actually they do, like you said, coming back to your point, they do actually look very attractive.